Hey YouTube, in this tutorial I'm just gonna show you how to add the library files and get SR04 to run with STM32F103C8 and measure distance. In STM32Cube IDE, click on File, New, STM32 Project. In Target Selection page, write MCU name STM32F103C8. Choose the microcontroller from here and click Next. I name it SR04 LSAN and click on Finish. Just do the basic setting requirements. In RCC, click Crystal Ceramic Resonator. In clock configuration, choose HSE, multiply it by 9, choose PLL clock and divide this by 2. Go to pinout and configuration. In system, in debug, choose serial wire. This is just the basic requirements, and in file, click save. Link for this repository is going to be in the description. Go to SR04 lib. There is a sr.c and sr.h file. Open the sr.c file, copy the content of this file and go to our project. In source folder, create a new file, name it sr04.c and paste the content of this file here. In include folder, create another file named sr04.h. Go to the repository, copy the content of sr04.h and paste it in our project. Go to main.c, between user code begin include and user code end include sr04.h. There is just one function here that we need. It is sr04 underline init. In main.c file, in main function, in user code begin to call this function. Compile the code. There is no error and warning. This is how you should connect SR04 to STM32. PR10 is connected to trick pin, PR8 is connected to echo pin, VCC is 5 volts and GND is connected to ground for blue pill. Now we go to debug. There is no debug configuration, so this window is open. Click OK. Go to live expression. Distance is going to be automatically stored in this variable. Run the code. Now I put something in front of the sensor. This is 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8, 10, and when I 18, 19, 20. And believe you me, this is working. I'm not just filming the project. As you can see, it works fine. And the amazing thing about this project is that if you go to sr04.c, you can see this is the init function and this is just some initialization for timer 1. After that, the only thing that CPU does is this function. This function is going to be called at the end of each sampling, and this is the only thing that CPU does. All the other things, including sending the trigger pulse and receiving echo pulse, is done by timer. This is the difference between STM32 and AVR. There is another in-depth tutorial on how to write this code and how to write this library. The link would be in the description.